In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your files correctly for our Unlimited Metallics product. Give you a bit of background as to what Unlimited Metallics is. Unlimited Metallics is basically, as the name suggests, allowing you to print an unlimited amount of metallic colors by printing mixtures of CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, black, on top of a base of silver. Now, you can vary this quite a bit by printing 100% silver as your base and printing shades of CMYK, and you can also do this by changing the values of the silver. So let's say you want to print 50% silver and then print CMYK on top. So you can get various results by doing this. Okay, so I'll show you how to set up your file. Like I said, you want to make sure your file is set to CMYK, so you'd go to Image, Mode, CMYK to begin. For this example, we're going to make a few elements with the metallics. Let's assume you want to make this press have a metallic look. You would basically select the Command option if you're on a Mac, and select the press. Select the layer. This basically selects the boundaries of whatever elements you have in the layer. You would then go to the Channels tab, click on New Spot Channel, call the name Silver, that's fine. The color option is not the color that this is going to print. This is just going to give you a depiction of what this will look like. As you can see, as I change this, you'll get different colors. So to give you a good idea, you want to make sure that your black is set to 40%. And that gives you a good depiction of what this should look like once it's printed. So let's click the OK button right now. So let's turn off our CMYK channels for a moment. Oh, I got to click the OK button here. Oops, let's do that. So whatever we have in our silver layer that is black will basically print silver. And because we actually have printing behind this in our CMYK channel, the silver layer is basically going to print, the silver layer will be printed first, and then all these colors will be printed on top of a base of silver, as you can see here. So we've made this element to be metallic. In another video on our website, under our video tutorials, we actually are, for Photoshop, we actually have actions that allow you to not just do a solid black and white blob of ink behind the press. You can actually have, if you run the action, which we show in another video, it'll actually show you how to get halftones in this black, so you get a more realistic looking image. Okay, so but for this example, we just want to keep this simple and just show you how to do it with a few basic elements. So now let's assume you want to get this BL, this boss logo, to be kind of metallic as well. You would actually go ahead and select this layer by clicking the Command button, selecting that layer again, going to the Channels option. Because we already have a spot channel created, you would just click the layer, make sure your foreground color is set to black. And I mean, you know, you could change this, like I said, you can change this to have layers of shades of silver. So let's only put, I don't know, 40%. Well, let's put 20%. Well, let's do a little bit more. Let's do 75% of silver behind this. And if when I click OK, you then have to click Edit Fill, and you're basically filling 75% of silver on the silver channel. Let's click OK. And once again, if I turn the CMYK layer off, you'll see that we now have 100% silver here, and we have a shade of silver printing here. Like I said, you can change these effects, change your values of your silver, of your CMYK to get different kind of effects. It's all trial and error. Okay, so this is our Unlimited Metallics job that we've designed. Let's now save out of Photoshop. To save out of Photoshop, you want to save it as a PDF. So to do that, you would click File, Save As. You want to save as the Photoshop PDF format. So let's call this Unlimited Metallics. So we'll just call it UM, Photoshop PDF. You want to make sure the spot layers is selected. Click Save. And on our website, we actually have these Adobe PDF presets for the various programs. once you download that preset and double click it, it installs. This is basically what option you then get in your pull down. So there we go. All the other options should be fine here. You then want to click the Save PDF. Click Yes. This will take a while to save. Once it's done, we'll load this up in Acrobat to show you exactly what's going on. Okay, that's already saved. Let's now load this up in Acrobat. Okay, I can minimize this now. Okay, so if you have Acrobat Professional, you can go to your Advanced option, go to Print, Production, go to Output Preview, and now when I scroll my mouse on top of the different elements that we actually created silver, when I scroll my mouse over here, you can see we have 100 cyan, 50 magenta, 40 black, and we also have 69% silver. And if I get down to the press here, we have, depending on where I'm scrolling, we actually have 100% silver being printed. If I turn this layer off, you can see that. So basically this is how you would set up your files for unlimited metallics. Make sure you watch our other videos on our website, which actually show you in the next video, it'll actually show you how to get some halftones in this press, not just to get a big solid blob of silver, so you can actually get a more realistic metallic looking press. If you have any questions or comments, please email prepress@5000cards.com. Thank you very much for watching.